This is my 1970's Sears Unicycle. I got it for free along with an old road bike. Today I'm going to try to restore it as best I can for the time being. As you can see, it needs a lot of work. To start off this restoration process, I cleaned off the seat and pumped up the tire. Before actually changing anything, I wanted it to at least be in rideable condition. Now that everything's prepped, it's time to start sanding. As you can see, it was mostly just covered in dirt and surface rust. I was even able to uncover the chrome on the rims. The next step was going to be restoring the white walls on the tire. To do this, I just used a regular white Sharpie. Alright, so as you can see, I did all the white, but it definitely needs cleaned up around the edges, but it actually doesn't look half bad for a DIY job, considering I did it with a Sharpie. I mean, from this far away, it really doesn't look that bad. For the trim around the seat, I also used a white Sharpie to cover up the rust. Obviously, I sanded down the surface first to make sure it was smooth. Honestly, I think it turned out pretty good considering I only used a marker. Other than a few small details, that's pretty much it for now.